Starting with the TD1 module responsible for the design of timber elements, AXISVM X7 R3 will include 3 new features. First is a simple one, with which the choice of executing flexural buckling, lateral torsional buckling, or performing both can be decided for timber design members. Inside the design parameters dialog of TD1, 2 new checkboxes are added which are responsible for the adjustability. If you allow these checks, the detailed design calculation will only include the ones which are set for the specific design member. Next new feature is that linearly varying cross-sectional beams, which are varying in 2 opposite directions, can be now defined as one design element. This feature is for glued laminated timber elements. There are some regulations which have to be kept in mind during definition of these elements. The design element is assembled from 2 structural elements. The length proportion of these elements must not exceed 2:1 ratio. Relative to the global coordinate system, the bottom side has to be horizontal and the top side has to vary in z-coordinate. The height must rise from the ends towards the middle of the structure. The slope of the 2 opposing elements has to be identical. The assembly of elements is possible in 2 ways. First is by defining straight logical axes and setting an appropriate eccentricity. Second is by defining skew axis and setting no eccentricity.